Got the Kohree 7/16 inch soft shackle. This is a 35K braking strength. Pretty simple design here with slipping the loop through here, and it's self-tightening, so as you're making your pull, it'll only get tighter. I'll show you how to hook it up to your winch or your truck. Slip it through, hook it on. You got this attached to your tree saver or your bubble rope, whatever it is here, and make your pull. Really like the color. My favorite feature of it though has to be the shrink wrap that's on the transition period between the nylon itself and the covering sheath here. Not as super strong. This is one of the beefier soft shackles I've seen. A little bit stronger and looking than some of the name brand ones out there. Overall, I'm loving it. I'm gonna get another one and keep it in my truck so it'll save weight over the metal shackles that I've been using.